Join me as I dive deep into the reasons why I hate my job and challenge myself to figure out what I'm doing wrong. I think it's safe to say that I'm not alone in feeling this way. Many of us feel trapped in jobs that we just can't stand. It's like we're stuck in a rut and can't seem to find a way out. We've all been there at some point or another, feeling like we're just going through the motions, wondering how we ended up in a job that's sucking the life out of us. One of the main reasons I hate my job is because I feel like I'm not doing anything fulfilling. I'm just a cog in a machine, doing the same tasks over and over again, feeling like I'm not making any real impact. Poor management doesn't help either. When you feel like your voice isn't being heard and your concerns are being ignored, it can be really frustrating. And then there are toxic work environments, where the atmosphere is just so negative and draining. It's like, why do I want to spend my days in a place that's making me feel so unhappy? But it's not just about the job itself. Sometimes it's about us. Maybe we're just not using our skills in the right way. Or maybe we're not clear about our career goals. When you feel like you're not doing something that aligns with your strengths and passions, it can be really dissatisfying. Our mindset can also play a big role. If we're always negative and focusing on the bad things, it's going to be hard to find happiness in our jobs. We need to take a step back and reflect on what's really going on. For me, it was a wake-up call when I realized that I had the power to make a change. I started thinking about what I really wanted to do and what kind of job would make me happy. It wasn't easy, but I took the leap and started making changes. And you know what? It was worth it. I'm not saying it's always easy to make a change, but sometimes it's necessary. We need to take the time to reflect on our own situations and think about what's really making us unhappy. So to sum it up, I've been talking about why I hate my job and some common reasons why people feel the same way. It's not just about the job itself, but also about our own personal factors. I encourage you to take a step back and reflect on your own situation. If you're feeling stuck in a job you hate, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. What are some things that you're struggling with? Also, be sure to check out my other videos on career development and job satisfaction. Thanks for watching.